Hi everybody, welcome to story time. I'm Anna and here's Bear. Hi Bear, wow Bear, I really like your underpants. We're so smart. Bear looks very pleased with her underpants, doesn't she? Can you guess what we're going to read? You? Can you guess? That's right. We're going to read Monsters Love Underpants by Claire Freedman and Ben Cort, and with thanks to Simon and Schuster Press.
Must be the Welsh bird.
Monsters think it's monster fun to creep around all scary. Bet there's something they love even more than looking mean and hairy. Monsters all love underpants and think pants are fantastic. They like all patterns, shapes and styles and twanging pants elastic. Some prowl through dingy dungeons, ooh. You hear them howling loudly, gree. One finds squeaky armour pants and clanks around so proudly.
That's what you mean.
Drool monsters from the steamy swamp fill pants with gooey slime. But oops! Their pants get slippery and slide down all the time. Wild, woolly mountain monsters make explorers faint with fright. Clomp! They snatch their frozen pants, then run off in the night. At the bottom of the ocean, a pirate ship now rests, where sea monsters wear pants with jewels they've pinched from treasure chests. The spiky, spooky space monsters all wave and roar. Hooray! When out from blackest, deepest space, bright bloomers float their way. It's not the sand inside his pants that makes this monster tetchy. His underpants are way too small. I wish they were more stretchy. It's Saturday, their disco night, held in a secret cave. The password, shh, is wobbly pants to get inside the rave. The monsters show their pants off. As they dance the monster bop, their pant-clad bottoms jig and jive till someone yells out, "Stop!" It's almost daylight. Quick, back home. We can't risk being spotted, for no one will be scared of us in pants all striped and dotted. So if you hear strange scuffles from beneath your bed, beware. You might just catch a monster trying on your snazzy pair. Have you got some snazzy underpants that you really, really like? Your favourite ones to wear? Yeah, me too. Bye!